Okay, girls, now exercise 1.1, question number 5. Let A is equal to 2u minus 3 and z O, and B is equal to v 5 minus 3 and w. For what value of u, v and w are A and B equal? So we will start this question. Let's start its solution. Given that the matrix A is equal to the matrix B, it means the values of the matrix A, which are 2u minus 3 and O, will be equals to the values of matrix B, which are v 5 minus 3 and w. So by comparing the corresponding elements, when two matrices are equal, then we can compare their corresponding elements. Okay, so the corresponding elements means 2 is the corresponding element of the element V. It means 2 is equal to V. Minus 3 is the corresponding element of the minus 3. U is the corresponding element of 5. So we will write U is equal to 5. And W, so W is equal to O. Or O is equal to W. So we have found the values of all the matrices, of all the elements which were asked, that find the values of U, V and W. Find the values of U, V and W. So we have found the values of U is equal to 5, V is equal to 2 and W is equals to O. V is equal to 2. Similarly, U is equals to 5 and O is equals to W, or W is equals to O. Okay. Now we will start its next question, that is question number 6. So the question number 6 is, let's have a look on it. If the first matrix is equal to the second matrix, then find the values of A, B, C, X, Y and Z. So we will start it. Okay, so the question has been started. Two matrices are equal, so by comparing the corresponding elements, x plus 3 is the corresponding element of 0, it means x plus 3 is equal to 0, z plus 4 is equal to 6, 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2, a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So we have mentioned it that x plus 3 is equal to 0 in equation 1. Similarly, z plus 4 is equal to 6 in equation 2. Then 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. This is equation number 3. A minus 1 is equal to minus 3, equation 4. 0 is equal to 2c plus 2 is equation 5. And b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. This is equation number 6. Okay, now we will solve it one by one. So by taking equation 1, equation 1 is x plus 3 is equal to 0. When x plus 3 is equal to 0, so we will write add minus 3 to both sides. So add minus 3 to both sides. So by adding minus 3 to both sides, we will get minus 3 and plus 3 will be cancelled. So the value of x will be minus 3. Now taking equation 2. Now it's turn to solve the next equation, which is equation number 2. So the equation 2 was z plus 4 is equal to 6. Z plus 4 is equal to 6. Now what will we do? We have to find the value of z. So for that purpose, we will add minus 4 to both sides. So by adding minus 4 to both sides, we we will get z is equal to 2. So we got two values. The first one value was x is x, the values of x, and the next value is the value of z. Now taking equation number 3. Okay, so the equation 3 is 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. So 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Now by shifting minus 7 to the other side, we will add plus 7 to both sides. So 2y minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2 plus 7. 7 and 7 are cancelled. So 2y is equal to 3y plus 5, because minus 2 plus 7 will give you plus 5. Now by shifting this 3y to the other side, we will add minus 3y to both sides. Add minus 3y to both sides. Now 2y minus 3y is equal to 3y plus 5 minus 3y. 3y and 3y are cancelled. Plus 2y and minus 3y will give you minus y is equal to 5, or y is equal to minus 5. How y is equal to minus 5? By multiplying minus 1 to both sides. Now taking equation 4. So taking equation 4. The equation 4 is a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. We will solve this equation. A minus 1 is equal to 3. To find the value of a, we will add plus 1 to both sides. So a minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 are cancelled, so a is equal to 4. The value of a is equal to 4. Okay girls, the equation 4 was a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. It is minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 will give us a is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now it's time to solve the next equation. So taking the fifth one equation. The fifth one equation is 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. So we will write it 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. Now to find the value of c, we will add minus 2 to both sides. Add minus 2 to both sides. So 0 minus 2 is equal to 2c plus 2 minus 2. Minus 2. Now 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now to find the value of c, we will divide both sides by 2. Okay, so minus 2 is equal to 2c. By dividing 2 to both sides, we will get minus 1 is equal to c. Or we can write by symmetric property that c is equal to minus 1. Now, the last one equation is equation number 6, which is b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. So taking equation 6, which is b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. So by adding plus 3 to both sides, b minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4 plus 3. So we got b is equal to 2b plus 4 plus 3 will give us plus 7. Now to shift 2b to the other side, we will add minus 2b to both sides. Okay, so b minus 2b is equal to 2b plus 7 minus 2b. So 1b minus 2b will be equals to minus b is equal to plus 7, or b is equal to minus 7. How we got b is equal to minus 7? By multiplying minus 1 to both sides. So we have found all the values of a, b, c and x, y, z.